Hello children. Let's start our new lesson in English. Lesson number 4, Bird Migration. Children, what do you mean by migration? Migration means moving from one place to another place. Human beings move from their birthplace to other places in search of job. They also visit different countries in the search of job and shelter. So moving from one place to another for some purpose is called migration. Birds, like human beings, move from their native lands to other lands in search of food or shelter when the climate is not suitable for them to survive in their native lands. Birds are man's and environment's best friends. They could be kept as pets. Pigeons, then parrots, these all are kept as pets. They can perform marvelous feats. Feats means achievement. Like human beings who go in search of job opportunities to earn their living, birds also travel from place to place for different reasons. Their movement is seasonal. According to season, they will move from one place to another place. If the climate is not suitable, they go to the other places. There are surprising facts about their movements. So let's learn about the movements. The migration of birds is as old as the history of mankind. Yet, it's a surprise. Why do birds keep migrating from place to place? There is no satisfactory answer. However, there are many facts related to the amazing phenomenon called bird migration. Children, why do birds fly from one place to another place? We don't know. We don't have a correct answer for this. It's just a imagination of the people that birds move because of in search of food or shelter, like human beings move from place to place. The word migration refers to the movement of birds from one place to another, from lowlands to highlands, and from the interior to the sea coast. Migration means the movement of birds from one place to another, from flatlands to the highlands to the mountainous areas, interior and sea coast. So they fly everywhere. Birds migrate for various reasons. For instance, it is observed that during winter, birds go to warmer places because some of them cannot survive. Birds migrate because of various reasons. Because some birds cannot survive in winter in cold areas, so they go to warmer places. The birds that feed on insects will not be able to find their food in winter. Weather conditions alone would not make birds migrate. Birds which eat only insects, which can survive eating only insects, cannot survive in winter because in winter they will not get insects to eat. So they move from to the warmer places to find their food. How do the birds identify the seasonal changes? Children, just imagine, we will come to know whether it is a rainy season, summer season, winter season or any other season. But how do birds find the seasonal changes? So birds find the seasonal changes by knowing the length of the day. It is also believed that birds can understand it when days get shorter and when they get longer. This ability in birds functions like an alarm clock. Birds can identify the changes in seasons by knowing the length of the day. If the days are longer, they identify it as summer. If the days are shorter, they identify it as winter. So they change according to the season, and this ability in birds is like an alarm clock to them. Birds breed in summer, and this is also connected with migration. During this season, birds migrate northward. The change in the length of the days and the lack of food tell the bird to migrate to suitable places. The breeding instinct helps them migrate up north. In late summer, many birds fly down south. Sometimes they travel to different continents and return to their nest in their own country in spring. Their ability to find their home is as amazing as their readiness to migrate. Birds breed in summer. So wherever the climate is hot, they will go to that places. In some during seasons, birds move towards northward, and because the climate is hot there. And in late summer, they move towards down south, because here the climate will be hot. In winter, they will not get any food, and they cannot breed in winter, so they move towards wherever the season is hot. How do birds find their way home? There is a belief that birds can understand the magnetic fields that surround the earth. These magnetic fields run from the north to south poles. Perhaps the birds are directed themselves by these lines of force. However, this theory has not been proved. This is only our imagination that birds move from north to south pole. Sometimes birds travel to different countries, but they come to their own nest in their own country in spring. So how do they come back to their own country and own nest? How they get the route? So it is a belief through the magnetic lines on the globe. They find from north pole to south pole, they find their way through the magnetic lines to reach their hometown, wherever they have their own nest, their country, their home place. It is not been proved. It is only our imagination that birds find their way through magnetic fields and come to their own country, to the own nest. Remaining part of the lesson will be continued in the next video. Thank you.